Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a beginner's Modern Jive clip. This is going to show you how to do a routine of 4 beginner moves. The idea is you learn the moves separately. The clips for those are already up, and the 4 you need for today's routine are an octopus, a basket, a step across, and a comb. And they're going to go together like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to show you how to get it back to the octopus at the start. So, octopus, first thing we're going to do, sometimes called a loophole. You can start with the guy first or the lady first, because it's symmetrical. If you start with the lady first, then the lady is turning left at the beginning. If you start with the guy first, then the lady is turning right. Assuming we're joining onto something that has a return, we'd like to be turning the lady to her right because the return was to her left. We want to alternate. So we're going to start with the fellas in front first. So we go back, we go guy through and catch, we go lady through and catch. We're going to do another one for the guy because when the lady goes in front, it's exactly the same start as the entrance to a basket. So we can treat this as our entrance to our basket. Just hold on and wrap. So we're in our basket. Twist out, round the corner, over for the turn, lower and back. We're going to let go with the right hand because we don't need it for the return. Lower and back sets us up for our step across. Bring the lady in, underneath. Thinking ahead, we want a right to right return for our comb. So as we come down, guys, we're using the fact that we're turning left, which is bringing the right side of our body towards the lady. All we've got to do, overturn to get a fairly natural looking hand change. So at this point, guys, your chest is pointing not at the lady, but out to the lady's right. Okay, so there's our setup for the return. It's going to be our comb. Hand on the hip is going to be useful. We're going to go over the head, down onto the back of the neck, but because we'd like 2 hands next, we're going to bounce this hand straight back to behind the lady's shoulder on our right, fellas. So as we send the lady away, we can draw the other arm up, gets us into 2 hands, which would allow us to go straight back into our octopus. So let's break that down with numbers. And we're going to go back to 2 hands. There's 1. Guys in front for our octopus, we go right over the guy, 2. Catching the lady, 3, left over the lady, 4, catching for 5, over the guys, 6, catching for 7. Now we enter our basket, we wrap, 8, twist out 1, round the corner, 2, turning 3, back 4, returning 5, back 6, sets us up for our step across, underneath 7, change in hands and overturn 8, returning 1, comb and pick up the shoulder 2, sliding out 3 and back into the octopus 4, and we're away. So let's try that to a nice slow count together. Here we go. 5, a 6, start with the octopus. We go a back, over the guys and catch, over the ladies and catch, over the guys. Here comes the basket. We go a wrap, twist, round the corner, turn, face, return, step across, underneath, overturn for the hand change, return, comb, 2 hands, and you are back into the octopus. Hope you've enjoyed that. We will be back next time with another routine for the beginners. Popping these moves together in different orders should help make your beginner freestyle a little bit more interesting, and stay safe out there. I hope you've enjoyed learning some Modern Jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance Modern Jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.